From my room at the Saribunga down to the Puri Saron. Let's go. I'm back in Bali, baby, and let's enjoy. Oh.
Hey, Aman.
How are you? Well, good, you say?
Nice to meet you.
Say hello.
Oh, you walk again?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you after.
See you after.
Saribunga Hotel, $60 a day. Around the Cura next door, $300 a day. You choose. Hotel's roughly 200 odd metres from the beach, and you're paying more than half the price. You can't go wrong. Always be mindful of the roads because they come out from everywhere. The building you see to my left, all in blue, they're doing that up as $1 million apartments. And I can tell you now, down in the basement, they used to have the illegal cockfights. Driveway entrance to the Grand Mercure. Today so far, sunny, no rain. They're predicting rain in about 2 hours time. We'll see. So far it looks good. Beach and beach bars to my left, like normal. Cocoon reopened. Beautiful place, has a set price. Not sure of that. But told it's very nice. You must know the rain's coming. Entrance to 66. Where I'm staying, and it's really nice and comfortable. One night here, it's about 7 nights where I'm staying. Sorry. It's okay. Have a good day.
Okay.
Go that way, Katie.
If you're staying at Double Six, you got a private little deck over there and chairs. Surf's up, but I'll take the street walk today. No, thank you. No, thank you. Joglo, I think that's how you say it. It's fairly new. Wasn't there 10 months ago when I was here. If you're hot, and it's always hot, gelato. Cool you down for 30 seconds, did you need another one? Entrance to Hotel Indigo. No. Pool deck. I still prefer nice. Shortcut up to the street. Watch out for the bikes. All the usual beach bars are along here. All here for decades. Here's the Puri Saron, another one of my favourite hotels. Let's see if we can find Madri. How are you?
Good?
Good, my friend. Good.
Yeah.
Sorry, brother.
Yeah.
How are you? We're good. You okay? Madri here?
Madrid.
Ah, Mina. How are you?
Good, and you?
Very good.
When you arrive?
3 days now. 3 days now.
3 days here.